Hey everyone, welcome to Spirit Light Yoga. I'm Shirkendra. If life has been busy or overwhelming, this gentle standing yoga practice is an invitation to slow down, release tension, and reconnect to yourself. This is a beginner-friendly practice that can be done at your own pace. And as always, listen to your body. Let's begin. Mountain pose, feet grounded on your mat, roll your shoulders back, arms at your sides. You may close your eyes or have a soft gaze. Let's take a deep breath in. Exhale. Good. Inhale. And exhale. Calming down your nervous system. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Very nice. Let's move to the side here. Salute the sun. Inhale your arms all the way up. And exhale, bring your hands down to heart center. Nice. Inhale, lengthen your spine, open up your chest. And exhale, forward fold, swan dive. Arms all the way down to your mat. Inhale, hands on your thighs, lengthen your spine. Exhale, forward fold. Good. Slightly bend your knees. Inhale all the way up. And exhale. Bring your hands to heart center. Moving right into warrior two. Let's gently squat down. Extend your left leg out. And come over. Keep your right leg bent. And extend your arms out. Good. Looking over your right shoulder. Feel powerful and feel supported in this pose. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Release your right arm towards your thigh. And your left arm comes up and over for extended side angle. Creating space through your entire torso and in your spine and your sides. Good. Breathe in. And out. Release that arm towards the floor. Left arm comes up. And when you're ready, you may straighten out your right leg for triangle. Inhale. And exhale. Bend that right leg. Come back up to warrior two. Straighten that right leg up. Turn your foot to the front. Place your hands on your hips. Let's bend our knees. Gently hinge forward for a wide leg pose. You may drop your arms towards your mat. Allow your head to feel heavy. Release your spine and your neck. You may sway from side to side, gently bending your knees. Do for 2 more breaths here. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Come back to center. Bring your hands towards your thighs. Slowly roll up 1 vertebrae at a time. As the last to come up. Good. Turn your left foot out and we'll repeat the warrior two on the other side. Good. Looking over your left shoulder now. Feeling powerful, strong, and supported. You're doing a wonderful job. And release that left arm to your thigh. Right arm reaches up and over again for extended side angle. Very nice. And drop that arm down. And when you are ready, you may straighten out that left leg again for triangle. Good. Inhale. And exhale, release. Bend your left leg. Come back up again to warrior two. Straighten your left leg out. Toes are facing forward. And rest your hands on your hips. Feet together, shoulder width apart as we are ending our practice. back to mountain pose. Roll your shoulders back, hands down at your sides. You did a wonderful job. I'm so proud of you. Give yourself a pat on the back. Let's take a few slow, deep breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Bring your hands together in prayer. Inhale. And exhale. Very nice. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you feel more calmer, lighter, and connected. If you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to subscribe and comment below and let me know how you're feeling. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.